In today's video, we're going to check out the best protein powders in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these protein powders, you can check out the description below. At number 5, it's COS Organic Plant-Based Protein. Vegans have a little harder time getting the needed nutrients for their fitness needs due to not consuming any animal-based product, and as we know, most of the protein powder comes from animal-based products, most notably from whey. However, COS Organic Plant-Based Protein delivers excellent protein to fulfill your nutrition needs if you have a plant-based vegan diet. The company aims to provide a more plant-based diet to the masses by showing that even a vegan product can provide the same nutrition values and a better world for the future. When I first opened the lid of the COS Organic Plant-Based Protein, I noticed its amazing vanilla scent, which was a surprise for a vegan protein powder. I didn't notice any artificial or super sweet smell from any additive that most protein powders have, and I gave it a go. Even mixed with water, the COS Organic Plant-Based Protein had an excellent taste without any grit or chalkiness that's apparent in other plant-based protein powders. However, it was rather thick. There wasn't any overpowering flavour coming from any of the ingredients. I can describe the taste experience as natural and healthy with vanilla touches. I would recommend mixing this protein powder with almond milk or any other similar substitute for superior taste. It was very creamy and the vanilla flavours popped in my mouth, and you can easily use the COS Organic Plant-Based Protein for homemade protein bar recipes without any additives. Most importantly, the COS protein powder has just 160 calories per serving. It's fully organic, made from pea protein, flax seeds, quinoa, pumpkin seed protein, and chia seeds, and these are all superfoods in their rights and combined give a better effect on the body. It contains just 3 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fiber per serving. Most importantly, it has 20 grams of pure protein coming directly from plants. Very impressive. To conclude, I can comfortably recommend this protein powder to everyone, regardless of their diet choices. At number 4, it's MusclePharm Combat. MusclePharm is a well-known brand in fitness circles, having been used through the years by bodybuilders, athletes, and even professional awarded trainers. Their products always provide excellent supplementation, perfect nutritional values, and are designed with the latest technologies that in turn help you reap maximum benefits from your routine. Their Combat Protein Powder is just perfect for anyone who wants to get the most bang for their buck, as it provides perfect value for its price. It's adequate for bodybuilders, powerlifters, athletes, and for all sorts of resistance training. First off, I want to touch on the various flavours of the MusclePharm Combat, because in my opinion, this is one of the key factors of whether I will continue taking a supplement or not. This protein powder comes in 8 flavours to choose from. You can interchange between them to break the monotony too. The flavours include vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, which are classics, and some other interesting options such as cookies and cream, banana cream, triple berry, cappuccino, and chocolate and peanut butter. They all taste very good and are easy to drink, a little sweet for my taste, but they don't leave any residue of artificial sweetness. In reviews on Amazon, I saw that the majority of the users were pleased with its taste. The consistency of the shakes made with water was smooth and decent. However, they became a little thick when mixed with milk, and I noticed that it didn't dissolve quickly. So I tried using a blender for faster results. Most importantly, the MusclePharm Combat is made of 5 sources of protein, combining the effects of both fast and slow digesting proteins that'll provide the best of both worlds. In a scoop of protein, you'll get 25 grams of gluten-free protein, BCAAs, glutamine, and about 130 calories. Another selling point of the MusclePharm Combat is that it's low in sugar and low on carbs, so it'll help your weight loss or cutting process. If you're a budget-conscious gym goer, this is your best bet, as it offers the most protein for its price, so you can't go wrong with MusclePharm Combat. At number 3, it's the Now Sports Whey. Now Sports Nutrition is an American company that's been producing sports supplementation since 1968 and has stuck with its politics about providing natural products that many athletes and trainers have benefited from. I found out that they're also a family-owned business that doesn't have any shareholders or a parent company that in turn helps them carry over their values over the years. Their Whey Protein Isolate Protein Powder is one of their most popular products because it provides amazing supplementation that's recommended for weightlifters going through a clean bulking phase. Let's take a deeper look into this excellent supplement. The company has opted to go with an unflavoured version of the powder as well as flavoured versions, but the unflavoured version is the most popular and the highest rated on Amazon. Through taste tests, I found the flavoured versions a little too sweet, but the unflavoured version had no aroma, chalkiness or taste. You can mix it with whatever you like. For example, I tried mixing it with almond milk and it tasted just like almond milk. It was a little thicker than in the beginning, however it wasn't chalky at all, something apparent in unflavoured protein powders. Coming to the most important part, this protein powder provides excellent nutritional values and delivers 25 grams of protein for every 28 gram serving. The Now Sports Whey doesn't contain any kind of whey peptides or whey concentrate, meaning that each serving contains less fat, carbs and calories, as it has just 120 calories per serving, 5 grams of fat and 2 grams of total carbohydrates. This protein powder also contains a high concentration of branched-chain amino acids that go hand in hand with protein in building muscle and helping recovery. Simply explained, the BCAAs don't allow the muscle to break down as fuel during resistance training, which is essential for the bulking phase. To conclude, I'd like to mention that this product is fully tested and approved as safe, pure and efficient compared to the industry average, and it's one of the safest protein powders on the market. At number 2, it's the ON Gold Standard, chocolate. Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard 100% Whey is one of the most popular and iconic protein powders on the market due to it being used by so many athletes, trainers, powerlifters and regular gym goers, and it always has delivered excellent results. It's mostly an isolate whey protein, which is perfect for those that want to build lean muscle, but thanks to its blend of whey protein concentrate and peptides, it's appropriate for everyone, and as its name implies, it's the gold standard, especially its double rich chocolate flavour, which I'm going to talk about today. Firstly, I tested the Gold Standard 100% Whey with water, which is the best way to test a protein powder. If it mixes well with water, it'll most likely work with anything else. This powder mixed very easily with water, with no apparent foaming while shaking, and you can even stir it with a spoon and it'll dilute excellently. The taste was creamy, smooth and rich chocolate. If you're a fan of chocolate, you won't be disappointed by its flavour. It's an instant classic. I tried different combinations as well, and I was particularly impressed with the combination of this powder with milk and banana in the blender. Creamy, sweet and rich, an excellent combo. The Gold Standard 100% Whey nutritionally is pretty rich and effective. For one full scoop, it provides 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar, 1 gram of fat, 4 grams of glutamine and 5.5 grams of BCAAs. If you want to build lean and clean muscle, this is your best bet, and it's been tested vigorously through third-party companies about its accuracy and revealed the same results. This protein has not a lot of ingredients included for such a rich source of nutrition. It contains whey protein isolates, concentrate and peptides, as I mentioned earlier, lecithin, cocoa, aminogen and lactase, and this combination provides excellent versatility of proteins that'll help you in your journey. On top of all of this, the ON Gold Standard doesn't cost a lot and delivers great value for its asking price. And at number 1, it's Dymatize ISO 100. The Dymatize ISO 100 protein powder has been the trusted choice of a large number of athletes from different sports, such as boxers and sprinters, regular gym goers, powerlifters, bodybuilders, and well, the list is endless. As expected from Dymatize, this product provides perfect nutritional values, and it's the best supplement if you want to build and maintain muscle, improve performance, and reduce recovery times. The Dymatize ISO 100 has won 4 back-to-back Protein of the Year awards. It's been accurate in third-party testing, and customer reviews have been nothing but positive. As I read from the reviews, the taste of almost all the flavours was a little sweet, but just the right amount that won't make you sick of the taste after a few shakes. I got the gourmet vanilla flavour for testing, and I really liked it mixed with water, as it was pretty smooth and not chalky at all. Plus, it was easily diluted even when stirring. Then I tried with milk and different combinations of it. Everything went well, not too thick, creamy and very smooth. There are tons of flavours you can choose from, so it won't get boring. Some more interesting flavours were the cinnamon bun, cookies and cream, birthday cake, peanut butter, fudge brownie and many more. Coming to the nutrition part, the Dymatize ISO 100 delivers 25 grams of 100% isolate protein, 5.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, 2.7 grams of leucine, and less than 1 gram of fat and sugar per serving. One scoop of this powder has just 120 calories, and it's one of the most digestible protein powders in the market thanks to its hydrolyzed nature. And it's appropriate for those with lactose intolerance because it contains less than 0.5 grams of lactose per serving. This protein powder will help you achieve new levels in your activities and especially in weightlifting. It has a little steeper price than other protein powders, but if you want the best results, it doesn't get better than the Dymatize ISO 100.